We're Group 8. Today we'll talk about wearable technology. First, we'll introduce the current situation. Then Naki will talk about the health industry. Then Sophie will talk about the technology in sports industry. Finally, I'll talk about the fashion industry. Wearable technology is not a new thing. Back to the past, calculator watches, USB heating gauges, and Bluetooth headsets are examples of wearable technology. In recent years, people pay more attention on new wearable technologies like smart glasses, smart watches, and activity trackers. The technology is now used in security, business, communication, medical, sports, fashion, and many other industries.
I'm going to talk the wearable technology in the health industry. People normally go to hospital or clinic to check their health conditions or use some traditional technology such as blood pressure instrument. Nowadays, wearable technology can help modern people to keep healthy lifestyle in their daily. Because people can wear the devices and check the health conditions anytime, anywhere, and it's low cost compared to traditional method. Additionally, we can download a professional application in your smartphone and know your body movements and record your temperature, energy, blood pressure, sleep quality, and other health information. The core of technology in wearable devices is cloud computing and database technology. So it means there are huge data behind the wearable technology, and the big data leads to people can easily know their past healthy information compared to now situation and manage their daily life quality by wearable devices. On the other hand, this can reduce the phenomenon of the crowded hospital. For example, in some developing countries, there are lack of hospital and doctors which can provide the services to patients. The latest wearable technology is the Apple Watch that can not only track your health but also can do many other functions. In the future trends, I think we might have a face-to-face to visit doctors by wearable technology through a small screen. Thank you.
Okay, I will give a brief introduction about wearable IT in sports industry. As we all know, a number of wearable IT product is put into use in sports field. There are 5 main applications on sports industry, namely sports performance, fitness monitoring, virtual coaching, outdoor navigation, and body heating. The relevant product are smartwatch, heated clothes, smart glasses, and so on, like the products in the slide. The fitness is the mainstream. But speak of the business market of wearable IT things in sports history industry, I can say that it's really promising. We can see from the statistic chart the smart sport clothing market, and the user number shows the continuously increase, while the price of the product suffer a sharp decrease. And that means more product will be accepted by more users due to low price. But there are still some barriers to resist the combination of wearable and the sports industry. Fashion issue is especially outstanding. It's more than enough to improve technology only. Lacking of cooperating design and the customers' ethnic preference will lead to decrease of purchase rate. So let's welcome my group member Julia to talk about wearable and fashion industry deeply.
That wearable technology needs to be fashion. Recently, the mobile application development company AppMe did a research in UK about what exactly makes wearable technology desirable or otherwise. As we can see in this bar chart, just a small section of the population that believes wearable technology makes people feel cool, look more attractive, or appear more intelligent and successful. However, significantly more think that wearable technology makes people look unattractive, ridiculous, or even worse. So, how the technology companies solve this problem? For example, Apple. They hired the former vice sales CEO Paul to be the vice president of Apple's special project. There are also collaborations between IT companies and design brands. Lots products are launched in market now, like Intel Mica by Opening Ceremony, Phoebe by Tory Burch, Google Glass by DVF, Viola M Pulse by Gucci, Samsung Gear S by Diesel. Designers use the wearable technology in creating clothes. Vega Wang created high-tech dresses in the Alpha Lorraine collection. Ralph Lauren polo tech shirt will be available in this year. But the price is a big problem. Misfit Flash and Shrine are just about $50 and $100. But the Swarovski one are from $169 to $249. The price is more than twice.
Conclusion, I will talk the present situation, challenges, opportunities. Our group members have already told the health, sports, fashion industry. So at the current situation, the wearable technology is very popular, but most people still don't use it to have one. So one challenge is that people think it's low battery, high cost, and lack of functions. But everything starts from zero. So I think the wearable technology will have a bright future. Thank you.